Becoming a part of an affiliate network is an excellent strategy for bloggers looking to up their current income or even just to begin actually making money from their blog. There are several options when it comes to affiliate marketing as well as strategies for making affiliate marketing work for you. Below I will teach you what is affiliate marketing, examples of affiliate marketing in blogging, affiliate strategies and some of the top affiliate networks to join. So, what is affiliate marketing all about? A simple definition for affiliate marketing is: affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's, or companies' products. You find a product you like, promote it to others and earn a piece of the profit for each sale that you make. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways people make money online, and for some, it can be a passive income once established. It is a strategy where an individual collaborates with a business, mainly e-commerce sites, in order to make a commission by referring readers or visitors to a business's particular product or service. However, that really is quite a simple explanation. To be successful at making money with affiliate marketing, there is a little more to it. In the case of blogging, a blogger will become an affiliate of a selected company via an affiliate network or directly from the e-commerce business, and make money from being an affiliate by placing a link, button, or banner within a blog post that will lead the readers to that affiliate products or services. A good blogger and affiliate will utilize a number of different marketing channels to promote content. Affiliate marketing examples and strategies. What does affiliate marketing look like when you are a blogger? An example of this could be blatantly creating a post that is actually about the company you are affiliated with, or you could deftly weave the product or service into a post that is on a related topic. An example of going the blatant route? Let us say you are a food blogger and one of the companies you are an affiliate of sells food processors. You can write an entire post about that food processor including. Then you could include a button, link, or banner ad that would take the reader directly to that product on an e-commerce site or platform, and they could order it based on your recommendations. Your job is to send potential customers to your affiliate program's offer. If you would like to take a more subtle approach, include a product or service from your company that relates to your blog post. For example, let us say that you are a wine connoisseur and that is what your blog is based around. In any post that is enticing your readers to open up a good bottle of Merlot or what have you, it would be wise to embed an ad for a quality, easy-to-use wine opener, wine glasses, or stoppers that keep the wine fresh,